Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar here in Goa beach, walking around with an Aquafina bottle in my hand. We have a lot of water there, but you don't want to drink that. But I have a message for you, an important one. And that message is, you have to say no to the wrong things and say yes to the right things. You gotta say no to things like smoking, like drinking every weekend, having sex with another woman apart from the woman that you have chosen as a life partner for your life. You gotta say no to things like wasting time on social media all the time. You gotta say no to things like waking up with WhatsApp. You gotta say no to things like being addicted to web series all the time. And you have to say yes to the things that bring you joy, the real joy, not the temporary joy, but the real joy. And you have to say yes to the things that bring you joy, the real joy, not the temporary joy, but the real joy. So what I recommend is, all the negative things you have in life, let's say these are the negative things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever that web series, whatever the time wasting things are, and imagine these are the new things that you should be doing. Say no to them and say yes to this. This can be getting a mentor, improving your speaking, improving a new skill, improving your swimming, improving being a husband, having more time freedom for your kids, whatever that thing is. Man, this is where the life is. This is for losers, but you are not a loser, you are a winner. This is for you. So I encourage you to spend more time developing yourself, improving yourself, committing yourself to a lifelong kaizen, as the Japanese say, which is lifelong learning. When most people are spending the time on WhatsApp, spend the time reading the book, getting the mentor, listening to that audio program, learning a new skill, because this is for losers again. And you are not a loser, you are a born winner, you are a lion. I encourage you to spend some time. If that means going to the beach, spending some time to getting some clarity, do that. If it means making some new connections, do that. Your life, your choice. But I just showed you there what's wrong and what's right. And you know what's right. This is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.